In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to tap on Google. Then hit All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on any password to edit. Enter your screen lock and hit Edit button. Now after making all your changes, just hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!